the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing. It's my favorite time of year, guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the Bella box. Now, this Bella box does come from Kimberbell, but it's part of their new line, the machine embroidery delivered. It's called Me Time, and this is a twice-a-year goodie box. So this is, of course, for the embroiderers out there, but there's a lot of projects in here that you could do without an embroidery machine. Typically, I have not seen what's in this box. I have not watched any other unboxing videos, so I'm very excited to go through this with you. So the theme of this box is Family Tree, which I'm very, very excited about because especially with the holidays coming up, I don't know, there's always a lot of fun time spent with families. You know, I know for us personally, especially when we get together with family members we don't get to see very often, we get to hear a lot of fun stories about maybe family members we never got to meet, and history that goes with our family. So I think this is perfect. This is a great way to kind of like, I don't know what the projects are, but it would be fun if there was some like family tree themed projects, which I'm assuming there will be, and then we could like bring that to the holidays with us, right? I don't know. I'm excited to see what's in here. So thank you so much, as always, to Me Time Embroidery for sponsoring today's video, as well as sending over one of these awesome boxes. I love these. I have a stack of these in my closet. I was buying them before I was working with Kimberbell, and so I'm just tickled to be doing this again. If you're looking to get your hands on one of these boxes, I will have a link down below. You can go check it out. If you're new to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, please consider clicking subscribe down below. If at any point you like this video, please give it a like. Any questions, comments, shoutouts, anything at all, leave them down in the comment section. I don't think we'll be doing a project from the box today. Today we're going to just do the unboxing, and then we're going to discuss what projects we want to do. So as we go through the unboxing, if you see a specific project or a specific notion or tool that you'd really like to see being used on the channel, just leave a comment down below and we'll add it to the list. These will be some fun projects for us to work on as we go into the holidays. Alrighty guys, let's get started. Alright, let's open up this awesome box. Oh, my favorite part. Oh my goodness. I already love the color. I love the dark green. How do I keep doing this? How do I keep matching my Me Time embroidery stuff? All right, so here's the back, and this kind of gives you an idea of everything that's in here. We're gonna put this to the side, but we're gonna explore on our own. Look at this, the North Pole tray. What is this? I guess these are extra projects you could be doing with Kimberbell. Oh my gosh, I wanna make this so bad. Look how adorable that is with little Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus. Oh my gosh. Okay, and so here we have the little booklet, and this is going to show you everything you can make in here. So much fun. Look at these little okay, so these definitely have to be done on the embroidery machine. So we're going to kind of go through this and see what we could finagle without an embroidery machine and what we could do with the embroidery machine. Oh my gosh, little tassels. And the little bead. I wonder if we're going to get wooden beads in here. Look how cute all these are. Oh, this little hanging one. What does this say? It's good to be home. That is so sweet. It is good to be home, isn't it? Oh, distance means so little when someone means so much. I need my glasses. I don't have my glasses on, guys. Oh, this looks so good. This is us. So sweet. So this is all about home and being with family. What is this, a box? What is this? It's a box. Look at this, it's a little box. That's so cool. So this is all of the instructions, your little booklet, so you don't have to use your computer if you don't want to. You will need to use your computer to download the files and everything to put on your machine, but all the instructions are in here. Okay, what's this? So this is the folding storage tote. Okay, so you don't have to make that. That's nice. You don't have to like cut out material and figure it out on your own. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, look, there's like pieces. What is this for? I don't know. Look at this. What is this? I don't know how this works. You like, maybe you kind of like do it like that? Maybe? Something like that? Well, this is adorable. And then you got little handles. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Oh, I love that. That's gonna be fun to play with. All right, next up, project kit. So what project is it for? Embroidery felt, Kimberbell products. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have a little bit of like rope twine. Eeny beeny clear blue tiles. That's cute. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's embroidery leather. Ooh, fancy. And then some stabilizer. That's nice. Really? Yeah, wash away topping. That's so great that they include that. And then you have some felt, some more foam, some more of the sew-on leather. Wait, no, this isn't sew-on leather, is it? Looks like it might be embroidery paper. Oh my gosh, so much new stuff in here. All right, let's continue on. Oh, what is this? This looks like felt. Let's open it up. Yes, just a nice roll of beautiful green felt. So that was a dark green felt. Now we have a light green felt. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, these are pretty together, aren't they? Look at that. Those are so pretty. I feel like I should have my green sleeves in the shot, huh? Okay, magnetic wooden hanger. So this is if you're gonna make an embroidery design and then hang it on your wall. Ooh, so oh, it's okay. It's magnetic. There's little magnets in there. Well, obviously it's magnetic. Look how sweet that is. So you can just hang it like this. And what's nice is that you can interchange items. So if you had different seasonal items that you embroidered or that you made using other materials, maybe like a quilt block or something even, you could just change it out using this little hanger. I like this. I want to get more of these. Woo, my favorite, Kimberbell tape. We all know how much I love Kimberbell tape. I buy it, I sell it. It's great stuff. This is the best tape. For bag making, quilting, machine embroidering, I think it's just the best. Ooh, I love these. These are usually, I use these on my vinyl rolls. Let me see. I think it's what I think it is what I think it is. Oh, look, you got two of them in here. So yeah, these are like slap bracelets, but I put them on my rolls of vinyl and you can just snap it on there. Look at that. So this is a little big for this, but if you had like a roll of vinyl or a roll of embroidery stabilizer, things like that, you can just snap this onto your product and you don't have to worry about unraveling so much. It just keeps everything nice and organized. Okay, next we have crochet edge trim. Ooh, crochet edge trim. What's that? Oh, well, this is just beautiful, isn't it? Look at how pretty this is. What do you think we use it for? Let me look in the book. So I'll be honest, guys, I've gone through the book and I don't know where we use this stuff, but I'm happy to have it because it's beautiful. Wooden balls! Yay! And felt balls. Oh my gosh, so many balls. This is awesome. These are big too. Look at this. I feel like we've crossed the line and now there's just no coming back from it. All right, let's look at these. Look at these. These are decent size. And then let's look at them compared to the felt ones. I wonder if they're the same size. They probably are. So you could interchange them in a project. Look at that. These are so cute. I love these. So I've seen a lot of especially embroidery projects lately where people are adding these little wooden balls onto a twine or string or something like that, and then their embroidery design on the end. And it's just a really beautiful way to add like a keychain or like a little hanger from your rearview mirror or something like that. I love that. I love that. I'm excited to play with these. All right, next. Oh, a little jelly roll. I love little jelly rolls. Look how cute they are. When I first started quilting, I always bought jelly rolls just because I loved the way they looked. I never really had projects to use them with, so I'm really excited that now we actually have some projects in here that we can use with our jelly rolls. But this is like all of the colors. I mean, it's the full rainbow, so you have every color here. All right, next thing, canvas wall hanging blank. So it looks like this is gonna go with that magnetic hanger, and you can do your design on this and then hang it. This is just really pretty. You can do whatever design you want on it. I love that. And ooh, this is fun. This is variegated thread. Is it embroidery thread? It looks a little thick for embroidery thread. It's Sulky's rayon, 40 weight. Is that embroidery thread? Let's see, the color is variegated coffee. I mean, it looks like it could be embroidery thread. It's not terribly thick, but it looks like it could also be machine weight thread. I mean, this is really beautiful thread. Oh, I always love the little pins that they give in these boxes. I love to collect them. This is so cute. Wait till you see this. Do you see how stinking pretty that is? Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that there's like a little heart on here because it's a family tree. That is just precious. All right, this looks like it's the last of it. This is the quilted pillow blank. So you can make a pillow. Oh, well, that's fun. This is a beautiful color, isn't it? I love this color. So you can make just this beautiful pillow. Oh, I'm so excited to do these projects. So let's just lay out all our goodies. I mean, you can see you get a lot of stuff in this box. So you have tons of material with lots of projects that they give you. So you can see that you have all of this material and lots of projects, so you can make everything that's in the Bella box, or you can just kind of pick and choose the items you want to make, and then you have tons of material to use for other projects, which I think is just the coolest. So I hope you're excited to make this. Let me know if there's anything in here you want to make. I know for me personally, I really want to make the family tree. I love looking at like the lineage of my family. I have a lot of family that have been in America for a long time, but then a lot of my family, other half of my family, came to America recently. So I love looking into our family history, learning more about all of our relatives. So I will definitely be making the little tree right here. I think that's so cool. And definitely the little box, because I mean, who could use more storage in their craft room, right? But let me know if you got a box and what you're gonna work on first. And if there's any projects you'd like to see on the channel, make sure you leave a comment down below and we will add it to the list. I hope that you are having a great day. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Get out there and make something. Bye, guys.